A radial distribution function or pair correlation function is the density of distances between particles relative to the average distance density. Radial distribution functions are very common in trajectory analysis and can easily be calculated from a trajectory with the help of the graphical user interface. Here I have a simulation box filled with copper atoms. At a temperature of 2500 Kelvin, the copper atoms are diffusing rather freely through the liquid. To calculate the radial distribution function, we open the trajectory in AMS Movie and go to MD Properties Radial Distribution Function. This will bring up the control panel of the radial distribution functions. Based on the plot of the total energy, we choose to discard the first 50 frames to account for equilibration, and then enter the element symbol for copper into both the from and to atoms field. To add single atoms or small groups of atoms to these lists instead, select them in the molecule window and press the plus button, but as always in the graphical user interface, you can hover your mouse pointer over the GUI controls to bring up a help balloon with explanations. Calculating the radial distribution function is then just a matter of seconds, and as we can see, it is in good agreement with published radial distribution functions for liquid copper. That's it for today. As usual, we'll put some links to background information into the video descriptions and are happy to answer questions and comments below the video.